Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The rumored 2026 BMW Minivan is a major, albeit as of yet unconfirmed, entry for the prestigious Bavarian automaker into a market area that is often defined by functionality and family-friendly styling. If such a car were to become a reality, it would surely represent BMW's basic principles of dynamic performance, elegant design, and technological innovation, albeit modified to meet the unique requirements of a multi-passenger vehicle. Expected design cues would probably be influenced by BMW's current design language, which includes the recognizable kidney grille, streamlined lighting signatures that make use of cutting-edge LED or laser technology, and a sculpted bodywork that aims for aerodynamic efficiency despite the minivan's naturally large form factor. To preserve brand identity, the window line's incorporation of BMW's iconic Hofmeister kink may be reimagined or discreetly added. To set it apart from more functional products on the market, the overall design would strive to convey a feeling of high-end elegance and dynamic poise. Below the surface, a variety of cutting-edge powertrain options are anticipated for the 2026 BMW Minivan. Electrification would probably be a major factor, possibly including fully electric vehicles that capitalize on BMW's growing competence in EV technology, as well as plug-in hybrid models that offer a mix between electric range and combustion engine capacity. Although they would be adjusted for the particular weight and handling qualities of a larger vehicle, these powertrains would be designed to provide the smooth power delivery and captivating driving dynamics that are associated with the BMW brand. Depending on consumer demand, conventional gasoline and perhaps even diesel engines that meet strict pollution regulations may also be available. Both driver engagement and passenger comfort would be given top priority in the inside of a 2026 BMW Minivan. An opulent and welcoming ambience would be produced by using premium materials like premium leather, well-made trim pieces, and ambient lighting. With adjustable seating arrangements that accommodate different passenger and freight arrangements, the layout would prioritize adaptability and spaciousness. It would be smoothly integrated with BMW's most recent iDrive infotainment system, which boasts a sizable, high-resolution display, user-friendly controls, and a wide range of connectivity possibilities. Advanced driver assistance technologies, which highlight BMW's dedication to convenience and safety, would be standard or optional and include features like adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping aid, and automated parking capabilities. A BMW Minivan's driving experience aims to strike a compromise between the brand's typical sporty handling qualities and the usefulness of a multi-passenger vehicle. The vehicle's size and intended use may limit its overall sportiness, although engineers would probably concentrate on producing accurate steering, a smooth ride, and quick acceleration. Drivers may be able to adjust the dynamics of the car to suit their tastes and the current road conditions with the help of adaptive suspension technology and selectable driving modes. In summary, the prospective 2026 BMW Minivan is an attractive offer that proposes a rethinking of the family car market from the perspective of BMW's basic principles. Sophisticated design, cutting-edge powertrain technology with a focus on electrification, an opulent and adaptable interior, and an enjoyable driving experience would probably all be included in it.